Hey everyone! Ever wondered how sorting algorithms work? Today, let's explore one of the simplest sorting algorithms out there, bubble sort. Bubble sort is like sorting a deck of cards by repeatedly comparing adjacent cards and swapping them if they're in the wrong order. Here's how it works. We start with the first card and compare it to the next card. If the first card is greater, we swap them. We will continue this process until the entire deck is sorted. Now, let's talk about the benefits and disadvantages of bubble sort. On one hand, bubble sort is simple to understand and requires minimal additional memory space. But on the other hand, it's inefficient for large datasets and lacks adaptability to already partially sorted lists. Despite its limitations, bubble sort is still used in educational settings and for sorting small datasets quickly. So, next time you're sorting a small list of items, remember the simplicity of bubble sort. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.